Welcome to 2026. Happy New Year. Today we'll be learning how to make oil paints yourself or oil paints from home. If you have ever watched a video in the past about making your own homemade oil paints, I would suggest you watch this to the end because there's something that is always missing in all of this tutorial which I just discovered. So for our tutorial, we'll be using the linseed oil. We'll also be using our pigment, which is titanium dioxide. This is Kronos titanium. Kronos is just like the maker, and we have the binder, which is alkyd resin. So this is different from epoxy resin and some other resins. This is alkyd resin. By the way, I've diluted this a bit. So let's get into it. I'll be using this to take proportions of the quantity. This is 1, 2, because I want us to have like a ratio. 3, and let's do 4. There are no specific formula or ratio to this, but I'm just trying to see a guide of ratio that can work, at least for an average. So after that, you take your linseed oil, let's use a ratio of the linseed oil to dilute our titanium and see how far that can go. So that's not enough, so we need another one. So this is more like 4:3. So if you are wondering how to get all of these materials, I actually get mine from a paint chemical shop. I got these two from a paint chemical shop. So if you're in Nigeria, you can just walk into any paint chemical shop and ask for thick resin. That's what they call this, thick resin or light resin. You can use any one of that. Just tell them the resin for making gloss. But if you are not in Nigeria, you can just search online for how you can order alkyd resin and the Kronos titanium white. Also, this is always readily available online. This is linseed oil. Almost every artist knows about linseed oil, and I've used linseed oil before. And if you don't know about it, you can walk up to any art material store to get a linseed oil. So the very first thing is we want to mix our titanium white and make it as soluble as possible with our linseed oil. Now we have had 2 portions, that's proportion of the linseed oil to the titanium white, and this is still not enough. This is the 4th portion, and this is the 5th portion. So I want, at the end of this class, I want us to have a certain ratio that we can fall back to, at least as an average for the mixture of both the titanium, the linseed oil, and the binder, which is the alkyd resin. Now if you check most of the tutorials on YouTube or any other places, I've checked tons of tutorials, and there's always something they have been missing, which is the binder. The linseed oil is just an oil. It cannot bind this titanium white together. And if we stop at this stage of just the linseed oil and the titanium dioxide, we would end up having dusty colors after painting. I've tried this before and I realized that after painting with the oil paints, it was still dusty, and that was what gave me the prompt to look further to what could have been the problem, which is one of the secrets that most of these people that make tutorial video on how to make oil colors online don't talk about, and that is the binder. Every paint has a binder, so and the kind of binder that you use is being determined by the nature of the paints. We have water-based paints and we also have oil-based paints. So oil color is categorized among the oil-based paints. I hope you are following me on the proportion. We have used 4 to 5. So I think we need more of the oil. This is 7 now. So I think for an average, a ratio of 4 titanium to 7 linseed oil or 4 ratio 8 is fine for this mixture. Then we'll be looking at what quantity of the binder we need to put, and this is what you need to know about the binder. The binder is not what needs to be so much in the mixture. It's just to hold the paints together so that it doesn't turn dusty when you apply it and it gets dry. So you continue pressing it down. You can find something so strong to blend the titanium white this way. And one of the reasons why I chose the Kronos titanium is because Kronos titanium dioxide blends easily than some other titan that we might have out there. There are several makers for titanium white, so but regardless the maker you get, it can still give you a very good white oil paint. And also I got these materials at a very at least affordable rate. I got this whole titanium white for 1,500 naira, which is more like a little bit above. I bought it for 1,007. That's a little bit above $1. I got this for 1,750. That's half kg of the resin. I got it for 1,750, which is also a little bit above $1. So it's less than $3. You can make your oil paints, or let's say $3 to $5. You can make at least a reasonable amount of oil color, because we need to consider the linseed oil too. So with the ratio of 4 to 7, we have a very good mixture of oil color. You can continue to blend, and it's also advisable to look for something to grind your paints properly, so that all the particles are going to blend into your oil. So that's very, very essential, because you don't want to have little dots of the colorants showing up while painting. So this is this. Then let's add the binder. This is what binds the paints together. This is what binds the chemical together. And mind you, I've diluted this with petrol. That's what makes it this watery. It's always very thick. So this portion or something less than this is okay for this mixture. So from our practice, you can see that we have a ratio of 4:7:1. So with that ratio, you can make a very good oil paint. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you want to learn how to paint, especially realistic artwork, do well to subscribe to this channel, because I have tutorial videos from mixture of colors to application, and we are going to continue our tutorial this year. So if you don't want to be left out and you want to upgrade your skill as an artist, do well to subscribe so you do, and turn off the notification bell so you don't miss out on my past videos. And if you find mixture of color challenging, I would like you to go to my playlist and watch my color mixture videos to learn the basics and the techniques to mixing the right color. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. But before we go, we will need somewhere to preserve these our paints. So I got a ketchup container which we can just put our oil paint in it and preserve it until when we are ready to use it. So thanks for joining. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.